Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you the ways to get premium on Poly.AI app. So in order to get premium on Poly.AI app, you just have to follow the steps. First thing first, you'll have to make sure that you've already installed and created your account. Once done, go ahead and open up your Poly.AI account and log into your account. When you're logged in, that's gonna take you to the home page, and next thing what else you want to do is click the profile at the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Now you do not need to actually go ahead and log in, but you could also directly get the premium account as well. So you could see under my profile there is this Poly Premium, Poly Standard, all that. So select the plan accordingly and click on the subscribe button. Once you do it, so you go ahead and select the plan which is convenient for you. So I think I'm gonna go with this one and click the subscribe button. After which, what else you want to do is you need to start by adding a payment method. So go ahead and click on the add credit or debit card, enter in your card information, your all of that, and click on save card. Once you do it, so it's gonna take a moment for you to actually go ahead and get a premium account, and you might be able to receive some sort of verification code and all that, which you have to just do it according to the prompt. So that's the way you get the premium on Poly.AI account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.